So I would like to advise others that just have faith in yourself and have faith in Bridge Labs. And so whenever you face any problem, just ask your mentor. Don't hesitate. And also from the basics, start understanding the things properly. If you start the understanding from the basic, from the beginning, so the journey will be smooth so far,
Yeah, that's
even
true.
in the company also.
Yeah, the basics are the
And
first.
give your focus, whole focus and concentration for this 4 months of fellowship, and then you will be placed in our dream company.
So hi everyone, today I have with me Sangeeta Pal. Sangeeta has been recently placed at Simpress. Hey Sangeeta, thank you so much for joining us today, and once again a big congratulations.
Thank you so much, and thank you for the invitation.
Yeah, yeah. So before we start, Sangeeta, can you introduce about yourself to the audience, about your journey, and about yourself as well, like what you did?
Yeah. I'm basically from Calcutta, West Bengal. So I passed out in 2017 in information technology from St. Thomas College of Engineering and Technology. Then I joined a company. There I worked for 2.5 years as a process associate to provide backend support to US insurance domain. So meanwhile, I thought that I would have I will pursue my passion for development. Then I found Bridge Labs. So I got a mail from Naukri actually. So then I joined coding club. Then I was into fellowship for 4.5 months. Then I'm finally today and got the placement in Simpress.
Sorry, I was on mute. Very interesting, I was saying. So, first question I would like to ask you, that why you have, since you've been working for 2.5 years, so what made you interest in the tech part in software developer part?
Yeah, actually, frankly speaking, I was always wanted to be into development. So that really that is a really interesting part. So being an software engineer, I always wanted to pursue my career in development. So somehow I was due to some situation, I had to be in support for 2.5 years. Meanwhile, I was trying for many interviews. Then due to lack of coding skills and knowledge, I couldn't get a placement. Then I decided to leave my job. Meanwhile, I received a mail from Bridge Labs through Naukri. So then I joined coding club. Then I left my job, and then I was into fellowship, and then finally I am here today.
Yeah, that's a good story. Actually, a lot of students, they want to get into development side, but because of, lack of opportunity, I would say the lack of skills, they don't get an opportunity and they land up in doing
Mm.
something else, like a support role or sales role. So yeah, that's
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, so that's great to know.
And Bridge Lab, yeah, Bridge Lab really fills the gap between the pass out, BTech pass out, and the people the expected people for to work in corporate sector with the grooming and also with the coding skills.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I'm really thankful for that.
So the other question I would like to ask, how are you feeling right now after getting your dream tech job?
Yeah, I was feeling I'm very excited, and my parents as well. So like so there have been the journey was not smooth for me. So it's there have been lots of ups and downs throughout this journey, but I have been always optimistic, and I believe in myself. So that's why I'm here today. And one more thing, there are the mentors who really support a lot, who really help me to fill each and every gap in my knowledge, and which and everything, like my also my friends, my as I said that I have made a lot of friends out here, so they also help me a lot to come to this position.
Yeah, that's great to hear, that you made a friends
Mm.
also,
And
especially in this time.
yeah, and also I would like to name one of my mentor, like Sachin. So he's been really helpful throughout this journey.
Yeah, thanks for the such uh, a great introduction of yourself and how Bridge
Yeah.
Labs came helped you in this journey. So that's great to hear. So can you tell people about your job profile right now?
So, like my current position is trainee software engineer at Simpress India Private Limited. So now, then till June we will be doing work from home, and joining is on 15th of
Okay,
March.
yeah, that's great. So the other question I would like to ask, a lot of people wants to understand the process. Since you just mentioned that you applied to the Naukri.com, then you went through the coding club boot camp, then fellowship program. So after that, how was the process of joining Simpress? Was there any interview or any interaction, any aptitude test? How was the interaction with the company?
So basically, there was no such interview form held for me. So there was a interaction with HR from Simpress. Then we got the offer letter.
Okay, so it was direct placement, you are saying.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And on which tech stack you completed your fellowship program?
Yes. So I'm a front end like developer. So in React JS.
Okay, that's great. So the other question I would like to ask, that since you have been working for 2.5 years, and there was lack of preparation, I would say. Another thing was lack of learning also. So how different the learning at Bridge Labs compared to the traditional learning or the classroom learning which you used to have?
See, in the 4 years of BTech, they teach very basic things. Okay, but the industry standard is different. That is not adequate for to get a place to get placed in a MNC or in a startup and to do like corporate job. So there is a huge gap between these two step. So Bridge Lab feels like started with the basic things like Linux or terminal commands in coding club. Then as per the performance they gave the tech stack. So it was the React JS was for me, and then I completed this 4 months of fellowship, and finally I get placed. I always have been optimistic towards and always have been have a faith for in Bridge Labs that they will definitely do something for me.
Yeah. Um, the other question I would like to ask, any struggle or ups and downs you faced in the boot camp and fellowship program, which you remember of, and how your mentor and peer helped you in that? Any kind of memory?
Yeah. So yeah, so there have been like I used to work for 12 to 14 hours in a day. So because we have a particular timeline for our tasks, so we have to finish this on time. So there was a pressure from the mentor side as well to finish this off. So, but yes, I must say that they are very cooperative and helpful. Whenever I need a help, I ping at we have the Hangout group. So it's been like 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Like they came and helped me out.
Yeah, it's great to hear, much of credit goes to you as well for putting that effort, coding for 12 hours and
Yeah,
working
but
for the job.
mentors are also a part of this success.
Yeah, definitely. Again, that's true. Yeah. So my all questions are over. Any tip or advice would you like to give to others? For the freshers or for the person who have experience like you had before, like
Yeah.
about how to improve their coding skills or how to get their dream tech job, what they should do to build their skills. Any tip or advice?
Yeah, so I would like to advise others that just have faith in yourself and have faith in Bridge Labs. And so whenever you face any problem, just ask your mentor. Don't hesitate. And also from the basics, start understanding the things properly. If you start the understanding from the basic, from the beginning, so the journey will be smooth so far,
Yeah, that's
even
true.
in the company also.
Yeah, the basics are the
And
foundation.
give your focus whole focus and concentration for this 4 months of fellowship, and then you will be placed in our dream company.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
That's what,
so
like, from my end, that's happened.
that's a really good advice. Basics are the foundation of all the skills. Whenever you're stuck somewhere,
Yeah.
just go to the basics and apply again those skills and the logic
Yeah.
behind that, and the success is pretty much there.
Also, I would like to say one more thing, that Bridge Life has for me the plan was for React.js, so they have a definite plan to start the thing and how to end the things, like from basic to advanced, level by level.
Yeah,
That's really helpful.
yeah, uh, yeah. So my all questions are over, and you covered it, beautifully, and in very detailed manner. So I hope it will help the everybody to understand, the journey. So thank you so much, Sangeeta, for joining us today, and wish you all the best. I'm pretty much confident that you will do awesome in your job.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
I
thank
will